Eshonile maswati lamahle eshonile nini benkosi lenhle siyanivusela siphindze siyanimukela kulolu hlelo iNewsweek lapho khona sikwethulela tindzaba lethambe embili evikini. Libito lami nginento bengokathabethe ndabe ngothulela leto tindzaba. Ngwanele umuhle tindzaba tethu tihamba kanjena. Imbube emhlaba ibusiswe kuphotfulwa kwaboke bafunzi lebe bekatse ke bafunza lapha ekolishi lase Good Shepherd Hospital labalikhulu nalabasiphohlongo. Imbube emhlaba ke iphinze yabusisa netakhiwo letinsha letikule sibhedlela yaphinze ke yetha sibhedlela semehlo ligama lelisha lelitsike evula amehlo yeMaswati Eye Clinic.
Kuthi tena muhla lapha esiteki imbube emhlaba enkosi umswajo wesithathu yaphotfula abafunzi labalikhulu kanye nesiphohlongo 108 belikolishi eGood Shepherd Catholic College of Health Sciences. Labafunzi behlukene ngetigaba letine kuleli kolishi kanti ke labanye babo bebakaze bafundzela bunesi bathe sesifungo.
I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully.
Silo semhlaba engwenyama nasesethulwa inkulumo yazo sifetile usisiyathokoza kakhulu kuba khona kuleli college njengoba kuwekucala ngca ingwenyama emhlaba etata ubusisa lo msebenzi wokuphothula kanzi ke ingwenyama ibongele kakhulu bafunzi ukuthi basebende ngekutikhandla bade bafike kulesigaba lesabafike kuso sekuthi baphothule ngoba lokho kuyasho ukuthi batimisele etikolweni bade ke bafika la bakhona khona. Ingwenyama emhlaba iphinze yadumisa kakhulu intuthuko lekhanzile kuleli kolishi yasho nokuthi kubeketela kanye nekusebenta ngekubambisana kuyawenda ke umehluko lomkhulu kuletha intuthuko.
Bekunene kadze ngagcina kufika lapha Good Shepherd semalanga kepha ke siyathokoza ukuthi namuhla nasibuya sibuya iGood Shepherd seyikhulile esigabeni sayo njoba kunetinto nje lemdawo dibusisa namuhla ebekunene. Siyathi ukuthi eminyakeni engcile iGood Shepherd nalamanye ama facilities lengawabhala nje ngwafanekise njengabo Nazarene bomkhuzweni clinic bebanesayela lenkulu esigabeni sekutheni lo msebenzi weGood Shepherd bawusebenza kanjani ikakhulu kubonakalisa ukuthi kubonakale ukuthi imali ingena kanjani umsebenzi lo njena ufuna imali lefanele lutawukhona nokuthi usebenze kahle ebekunene imibono nemiqondo kuze kufikwe lapho khona kutawubonakalisa ukuthi le institution yeGood Shepherd iyaphumelela njengoba siyibona namhla ebekunene. Lesinye sikhulumi lapha lebesikhuluma naso sibeka ngesimo ukuthi nisuka kuma debt 170 million namhla sene ku surplus live likhulume ngetransformation ukuthi ye 25 ye transformation naku number lapha 5 million now it's 25 bese uthatha lo 5 uyabona ukuthi cha number la transformation bela ebekunene.
Silo semhlaba siphinde sathe siyaveta ukuthi sitawuphinza futhi sivuleke imisebenzi lebitetigidzi emalangeni lengiso ke sibhedlela semehlo kanye ne-outpatient department khona isibhedlela saseGood Shepherd lebite imali enganga 70 million emalangeni. Imbube emhlaba ebese seyetha ligama sibhedlela semehlo yathi kusevula amehlo yeMaswati Eye Clinic. Imbube emhlaba ibonge kakhulu kulabo lababambise lona ke libandla lemakatolika ngetimali kufaka ekhatsi uhulumende wembube kanye nabo somabhizinisi bakuleli nakulabanye labachamuka emaveni yangaphandle kufaka ekhatsi eveni laseJalimane.
Umsebenzi wanamuhla njengoba namuhla sila sitovula i-OPD bekunene la khona kubonakala ukuthi kube nekuhlangana emkhathisini welive kanye nalamanye ema-partners labonakala ukuthi kuze kufike kwakhiwe le OPD lefike yabita imali lengu-17 million emalangeni bekunene bekunene njoba silapha live le Swatini likhokhile imali njoba ngisho ngithi kube i-partnership emkhathisini welive netinhlangano njoba live likhokhe 15 emalangeni bekunene kwathi i-Papal Office Vatican yakhokha 1.6 million emalangeni kwathi loliswati lotsinzekako loyasebenzela emsebenzini eminyenti long AG Thomas naye wakhokha imali lengu-200,000 emalangeni ubambisana size sifike kule 17 million uthi kwakhiwe le OPD la sithi ke asikudumise kakhulu lokho bekunene bekunene lo msebenzi we-OPD utawusita kakhulu sive la elibonjeni kakhulu njoba sifuna wonke amadolobha eSwatini akhule ngema-facilities la fanele ukuthi abe khona bekunene siyayidumisa ke nayo le clinic yemehlo levele yakhiwe njengoba umsebenzi wayo ubite imali lengu-10 million emalangeni ukuthi yakhiwe iyabonakala ukuthi vele i-clinic lebonakala ukuthi ine-equipment lefanele letawukhona ukuthi noma ngangisiphi isimo lesihambelana nemehlo kukhonakale ukuthi kulapheke malula bekunene sithatha lithuba lekubonga ngoba labahlanganisile bonsumbulwane ukuthi le clinic ize yakhiwe kube khona i-Christian Blind Mission eJalimane kanye ne-Christian Blind Mission eCanada labahlanganisile letimali bekunene esigabeni sekutheni le clinic lena igcine yakhiwe letawukhona kulapha emehlo baletha ne-equipment lebonala ukuthi vele i-advanced impela sithi ke asibadumise kakhulu emsebenzini labawendile bekunene bathi tena bangibikela ukuthi kunemntwana lomusha njengoba lutelwe lapha le eye clinic base bacela ke ukuthi ngilethe ligama bekunene ligama la le eye clinic njengoba sibuke amagama lamahle la ifanele kusho ukutaba ivula amehlo yeMaswati Eye Clinic bekunene
Mvunankulu welive umhlonishwa Mmiso Dlamini etfula imbube yemhlaba ubongile ukuthi bangihulumende bayathokota kubona silo semhlaba sivakashela lelikolishi njengoba kusifiso salo likolishi ukuthi sigcine sindondlobele sifike ekubeni inyuvesi sihlalo webhodi lebuke lona likolishi laseGood Shepherd naye-ke ushido ukuthi bathokote kakhulu abatikholwane ukuthi imbube yemhlaba ifikile kulo msebenzi wase uyasho ukuthi lokhu kuletha lithemba lelisha kubo balikolishi kwekuthi intuthuko seyivele idvute nabo kanti-ke umfundisi lokhulumele emakatolika naye-ke ushido kwekuthi bayajabula balibandla kwekuthi nembube yemhlaba yade yahamba yambona-ke papa ngalesikhathi 7 leTaliyane washo nokuthi bayathokota kakhulu kubusiseka ngako-ke kufika kwayo imbube yemhlaba ingwenyama yemhlaba ibe ichubekela kuyawubona dona-ke yona le eye clinic kanye nalo-ke leli gumbi le-outpatient department.
Lizinyane lembuke umfana wenkosi sakhizwe ukuthatha ukusekelwa kwabosomabhizinisi labo-ke labathengisa yona imikhiqido leyakhiwe kuleli laseSwatini. Umvanenkosi ukhulume lokhu uma ke avakashele indzawo lapho khona labo somabhizinisi batabe bakhangisa ngemikhiqido yabo mhla tinge-25 enyangeni yaMabasa eminyakeni losetulu.
Lizinyane lempube umvanenkosi Sakhizwe Lomuhle livakashele idolobha leMbabane lapho khona belikade liyobuka indzawo la kutawubanjelwa khona umsebenzi lobitwa ngokuthi Eswatini Consumer Fair. Kanti kulo msebenzi kutabe kuthengiswa imikhiqido leyakhiwe lapha eVen leyakhiwe ngiyo eMaswati. Lezinyane selethula inkulumo yayo libonge kakhulu litiko letemabhizinisi nekuthengiselana ukuthi libusise lo msebenzi laphinze labonga nalabo labawucabangile ikakhulukati lamema nesive seMaswati ukuthi asite kulo msebenzi sitokhona ukuthi sithenge lokho lokwakhiwe eVen ukuthi kuvuleke umnotho welive.
Quite exciting to tour half of Dr. Sishai Road, such an innovative venue for the upcoming Made in Eswatini Consumer Fair, set to take place on Friday, the 25th of April, 2025. I am told this is one of the busiest streets in Mbabane, so my compliments to a peculiar people to bringing the fair to the people. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Minister of Commerce, Trade and Industry, Mangoba Khumalo, for wholeheartedly endorsing this vision. Your support is deeply appreciated as it plays an invaluable role in nurturing the growth of local businesses. A special thank you to the capital city for opening up Mbabane to local entrepreneurs from all over the kingdom and for encouraging the growth of our local economy. Your contributions are paving the way for a thriving business environment. We also owe a great deal of appreciation to the sponsors and partners who have made this event possible. Your commitment to this cause strengthens the foundation for Eswatini's economic progress. I would also like to acknowledge all of the local product businesses that responded to the call to action. Your participation is vital in showcasing the incredible talent and craftsmanship that Eswatini has to offer. On Friday, the 25th of April, consumers can expect a wide array of products ranging from handcrafted goods to innovative local services, food, beverages, fashion, and more, all available at limited promotional price. I encourage consumers from all walks of life to come, support these businesses, celebrate our rich culture, and contribute to the success of our local economy.
Siyabonga nje mbanenkosi ukuthi uGrace lo msebenzi ubusise sithembe noma lokusonyathele wabona ukuthi kutakwendekani kwendeke kuphi uyawuthi vele nasusukuma sawusenjetwa uhambe kahle siyathemba nje sekutaba insaya vele idolobha leli ukuthi kungasali nje kube into lendeka namhla iphinzi ihema kodwa sale nje kuba incubo sale sithenga vele kule idea yapha eSwatini.
Lo msebenzi utawubanjwa mhla tinge-25 enyangeni yaMabasa eminyakeni losetulu lapho khona kutawube kukhangiswa leyo mikhiqido lekhiqido lapha eVen laseSwatini khona-ke esitalatini lesibitwa ngokuthi i-Dr. Sishai Road.
Kanti-ke ehle kabi enduneni yelitiko letemafa emagama lakhishwe-ke imbunga umvanenkosi Ncenge uma-ke athi ingadi yeMaswati isetandleni telitiko letemafa ngalesikhathi-ke aveta ukuthi litiko alitikhiphi timali ngesikhathi kude kuthi-ke eMaswati atawukhona-ke kusitakala.
Wesibili ngifuna kubuta enduneni sihlalo ukuthi iyadini induna kokuthi nangilala lo mbiko wayo ungasikephi naso sithombe ukuthi ema-suppliers ahulumende laba thengisela hulumende emabhizinisi lamanengi eMaswati la thengisela hulumende have gone under afile emabhizinisi eMaswati abulawa kungabhadaleki ngesikhathi noma kungabhadaleki at all. Ngidawuthi lokho ngilolo kubange kufa kunenge lesikubonile eVen. Lokho kusho ukuthi mina by my standards kunetimpilo teMaswati letihambe prematurely kungakafiki isikhathi tihanjiswa kokuthi kude imithi eVen. Ibangwe imithi engeke yabakhona imithi ibangwe ukuthi ama-suppliers akakabhadaleki. Lokho sokuthi itiko laka finance naleligcwelela endlini namhla has ingadi yeMaswati in his hands, as far as I'm concerned.
Lamagama laqhamuke embungeni umfana Nkosi Ncencenge iwabhekise kilo litiko letemafa akekehli kahle endvuneni yelitiko letemafa njengoba ivetile ukuthi lokhu akusikonani lokwehla kahle njengoba umfana Nkosi aveta ukuthi litiko linengadi yeMaswati etandleni talo ngenxa engabhataleki kahle kwalabo labathengisela kehulumende lokufaka ekhatsi labo mthengisela umithi.
I take offense at that, Mr. Chairman. I think it's a very unfair statement to make. Number one, it was kind of pointed towards me. You were saying, Minister, you are saying that you are a godly man, but here, in a sense, you got blood on your hands. I don't believe it's right to make statements like that, Mr. Chairman. Not in these kind of forums where it's now out there and nothing can take it back. But it's as the Ministry of Finance, we do everything that we can. You must understand, Mr. Chairman, the procurement process is not, it's legislation that has been passed. It's legislation passed by the House. It's legislation passed by the Senate that we are implementing as the Ministry of Finance. We then, on top of that, then came the SPPRA legislation, which does frustrate the process. I myself am agreeing that the procurement process is not ideal. We are busy as we speak changing the Procurement Act and aligning it with SPPRA. So we have one act dealing with this whole lot. And we are, as you saw in the newspapers, we are busy with stakeholder engagement around where the problems are so that we can fix it. It is frustrating for us having the processes being delayed and not being as smooth as what it can be. So we are busy in the process of trying to deal with this. But that is happening within the Ministry of Health before it gets to Treasury. We've got cash flow challenges, but we prioritize the Ministry of Health because people's lives are at risk. So to then say in the Ministry of Finance is blood in our hands is really, I believe, with everything that we do to try to support the Ministry of Health, we believe it's a very unfair statement to make and really not right to make in forums like this, Mr. Chairman. The TLC has gone, money has gone out, or 20 million without an agreement. She's not correct on this. We haven't given the 20 million yet. There's 20 million in a supplementary budget. It is still with the Ministry of Finance because there's no agreement in place. We can't release 20 million. One might think we just willy-nilly and do what we feel like doing here. We follow the law at the Ministry of Finance. If the law's in place, which you have put in place, we follow that. The law says we can't release, we don't release. So to say we've released the 20 million without the proof, please provide the proof that it's been paid. We know it's not paid. So please, we ask, if we are saying that we are doing things outside of the law, or siyakanga, or whatever we are saying here, please bring that so we can see it, because it's based on something which is not correct.
He's here because he's representing the ministry. He's the political head of the ministry. And so when he responds, he's not responding in his personal capacity. Lokho balapha bakhulumela sive. So nabo nababuta la abatibuteli bona in their own personal capacity. Yes, it might happen, but basuke baletha imibuto labaphathise bona sive ngaphandle.
Noko emva yokuba induna ivakalise kungatfoti ngalamagama lakhulunywe nguye umfana Nkosi kanjalo ukuthi induna bese iyaphefumula sihlalo welibhodi lelibuke kusebenza kwelitiko letemafa imbungathona isibanzi ivetile ukuthi bonke lapha kuleli committee bakhonela ukuthi batobutela eMaswati kanjalo nendvuna nayo iphendulela kona ukuthi iphendule lokho lokufanele kuphendule litiko hayi ukuthi kuyaliwa.
Umhlonishwa Ndvunankhulu usukumiseke ngalokusemthethweni umhlangano wetekukhanga bosomabhizinisi kanye-ke nebatshali timali lutochutshwa ngiyo-ke inkampani yahulumende lekhanga abatshali timali kanti-ke lona mhlangano utobanjwa ngenyanga yeNkhwekhweti eminyakeni losetulu.
Inhlangano lekhanga abatshali timali kuleli itobamba umsebenzi wekuxoxisana kwabosomabhizinisi lotobanjwa mhla 14 kuya kumhla 15 kuyo iNkhwekhweti eminyakeni losetulu kanti-ke lo msebenzi uphakanyiswe ngalokusemthethweni nguNdunankulu welive umhlonishwa Russell Mmiso Dlamini lovetile ukuthi live laseSwatini lifanele libe live lelitawukhanga abatshali timali kuleli vekati lelisentasi nesifundazwe sase-Afrika kungilona live libheke ukuthi lento esiqiniseke ukuthi bosomabhizinisi la bafuna bekuta kulesi sifundza betayiveni laseSwatini ukuthi kwakheke amathuba lanele imisebenzi.
To achieve our ambitious goal of reaching 12% economic growth rate or annual GDP. By the end of our term, His Majesty's government is implementing targeted programs and policy strategies. Central to this effort is creating a business-ready environment, attracting significant foreign direct investment and stimulating domestic investments for reinvestment and expansion. This conference, which is themed Creating Opportunities for Rapid Economic Transformation, is therefore a critical step towards realizing government's vision. It is a direct implementation of the Nkoya Mandate as proclaimed by His Majesty the King during Sibaya 2023. This investment conference is a strategic government-led initiative which will be delivered by Eswatini Investment Promotion Authority under the leadership of the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Trade. It is intended to set the stage for future events aimed at driving economic growth. It brings together investors, financiers, economic
Imnelitiko litemabhizinisi nekutsengiselana imbonga Mancoba Khumalo yaveta ukuthi litiko linakonke lokusemandleni ngokuthi amabhizinisi letakwa eveni abe ngilawo latanda siqiniseke ukuthi akha amathuba lamahle emisebeni kanjalo nekuthi abe maningi amabhizinisi lavulekako eveni kuteke live likhona kufula wona umnotho. Umphathi wenkampani lekhanga abatshali timali eveni uyaveta ukuthi lo mfundasikolo noma lo mhlangano wabosomabhizinisi utawenda siqiniseke ukuthi uvula ke amathuba lamanengi ekwenta ukuthi nabosomabhizinisi labangaphandle kwakuleli kanjani nabasichamuka emhlabeni bete eveni laseSwatini kutotshala timali tabo.
Mvunankulu welive umhlonishwa Russell Miso Dlamini olufulathele laseSwatini walibhekisa ke eveni laseNamibia lapho khona yawumelela silo semhlaba kuwo komsebenzi wokufungiswa kwamengameli lomusha wakulela live.
Mvunankulu welive Russell Miso Dlamini utaba ingcenye yalabo labatawungenela umsebenzi wokufungiswa kwamengameli welive leNamibia. Mvunankulu ufulathela kuleli walibhekisa khona eNamibia lomuhla hambisane nayilitiko leti-7 tembuso umhlonishwa wamabulala maseko lutabe yameleleke induna yelitiko letangaphandle endlelana lamanye emave impungapholile Shakanto. Kanti-ke imvunankulu waphuma-ke eveni ubikile ukuthi uyakuleya live yomelela silo semhlaba engonyama enkosi Mswati wesithathu ekufungisweni kwalo mengameli nomusha walela live.
Sibeka lihambo lapho sithunywe khona inkosi yelive ukuthi siyoyimelela eveni laseNamibia lapho khona kune-inauguration yamangameli lomusha. So lo msebenzi-ke wamengameli lomusha ukusasa siyahamba ke lokhu sihamba namhlanje mhlawumbe singaphela umsebenzi bese siyabuya sihamba naye minister lomele Minister of Foreign Affairs Minister Maseko. Siyabonga kakhulu sithemba ukuthi uNkulunkulu utawuhamba nathi nisale kahle siyabonga.
Njengoba lo msebenzi utawubanjwa kusasa khona kuleya live mvunankulu welive utawugcina upheka lo msebenzi bese uphinze uyabuya ekhaya.
Sikolwa ke semakhono lesatiwa ngeBSA sitawulekelela ke liphini la Mvunankulu ngekuthi ke kufunze bantwana bemaswati labangamashumi kuloke leli college ngayo ke imali letawukhokhelwa ngilo ke leli college lingalinganiselwa ngetulu kwesigidi semalangeni.
Batawubalishumi bafunzi labatawusekelwa ngemfundzate wesikolo lesiphakeme sika-BSA lesifundzela emakhono le batawabachamuka ehhovisini leliphini la Mvunankulu njalo ngeminyaka. Lomuhla kuniketwe ke bafundzi labalishumi itifiketi kumukelwa kuleli college iphindze futhi basekelwe ngetimali ngilo leli college ukuthi bachube izifundo tabo temakhono. Liphini la Mvunankulu imbongathulisile Dladla ibongekelo lisito laveta ukuthi labafundzi batawusekelwa kakhulu futhi noma sebacedzile ukufundza. Liphini la Mvunankulu liphindze laveta ukuthi labafundzi batawusekelwa kakhulu ikakhulukazi ekutheni nemabhizinisi abo akhona ngidlondlobala noma sebacedzile kona kufundza.
Khaza ukuthi as time goes on sigcina sinepool nje lenkulu letawufuna ukuthi nayo sengathendarisha outside the country because sibanike imfundo lengiyo. So I'm very happy with this opportunity. The intervention yakho Nkosi skills program, the intervention vele which will come in very handy kubantwana labangakakhona ukuthi babete nale mali yekuchubeka with tertiary education. Wena uthi utabanika lama skills ukuthi bakhone ukuthi basebenze, over and above that wabanika nemali ukuthi bakhone ukuthi bachubeke bafunze. We really appreciate it.
Umphathi wesikole wasaka BSA umemetele ukuthi lo mfundzate utawulinganiselwa 1.3 million emalangeni sewuphelele kule minyaka lesihlanu.
Sihlangene ke sikukanje kufanele ukuthi kulo 260 beside ngaye nasilonja. Kutakujabulisa kuva ukuthi amafigures siwatshintshile. Deputy Prime Minister kusukela kulomnyaka lo ngale batch lesicala ngayo sitakuthathela abantwana laba tabo bang 10 every year kuze kube ngu5 years. Automatically that translated to about 1.3 million in value. Lokusho ukuthi bantwana lesitaba sita lababuya etikweni lakho bataba tabe sebang 50 mangibala kahle. Sesiyakhona ngisho nekuba review asibone ukuthi mbambambamba out of laba kuphumelele laba kwehluke laba. That is what we are prepared to do ngulesibukisene kona ukuthi bekungahamba kufike kanje.
Lokhu kumele bafunze ubonga wagangatha ke ngalolusito wabonga kakhulu eMakhoselive ukuthi anayekele sive sawo.
Asiyakhona asingehlakanipha kwethu siya ngemandla uNkulunkulu. Wangathi uNkulunkulu angakuvikela la uhamba khona ehlahla umgabathela. Akubiyela indlela yonke. Nawe mphathi wa BSA wangathi uNkulunkulu angakubiyela. Nanathi sine bafundi lesipholele umsalo ongaka. Wangathi uNkulunkulu angasiphe amandla sichubeke sibambe sifunze. Singamjabhisi DPM wethu ngoba siyamthanda kakhulu, siyakuthanda mgabatheli ngayo yonke inhlito yethu. Asikade sikubone lokunye lokwendlula lethambo lona longathi. Siyabonga kakhulu. Bangathi uNkulunkulu anisela umusa ngiloko nje lengaba nawo. Usibongele nasengwenyameni inkosi eMswati nesithafu nakilo indlovukazi nemazinyane ayo. Siyabonga kakhulu. Nkosi.
Kimbali Mavuseni zabantu emswati echele Maswati nantobe kuthabetse mawusine liphilani nankulu eMbabane.
Ngwane lomuhle tingako ke libeti katsete hamba embili evikini libito lami nginontobe ngwakathabetse ngihambisana naye ayandawo kaMamba sifisela ukubukelela ukuhle inhlelo netawulandzela usale kahle.